channel. Today I'll be playing Subway Surfers, and let's start. I'm gonna try to beat my old record. I played this before, but it's new on this device. I'm not the best, so let's see how good I do. Oh, the letter J I have to go for. Even though there was like 100 coins there, I was greedy for the letter J. Why is there so many coins? I've only got 64. I just completed the tutorial. Woo! That was tough. Difficult. If you haven't watched my other videos, please watch them. Like, why not? I've got a, what is it called? I made a Dragon City series. What? I died. How? I'm gonna save myself. See? New high score. My goal is to hit 5,000. Okay, come on, guys. If you like, I'm 100% gonna hit it. Like, obviously. Look at like power. Come on, like power. We have like power. Like power! Yeah! Subway Surfers is such a fun game. It has like 5 billion downloads. It's like a very old, geeky game. Jivvy? That could be so many words that I have no idea what about. Did he just put on the indicator to hit me? Excuse me? Not very kind, you are. This one has this update has a, like, I'm pretty sure it's autumn, maybe? Maybe they're still making a winter update. No, this is spring! Look at the spring! It's spring! Oh, the letter E! Yes! I got 1,000 points in one run. Let's go. Whoa, guys, this is getting tougher by the second. Come on, guys. Subscribe. If you subscribe, I could hit 10,000. You don't know. We don't know. Well, I don't. Okay, come on. Ooh, lucky block. Mystery box. Yippee! Jumpy jacks. Jumping jacks. Okay, come on. Is it making me do a double zigzag? I hate those. Oh my god, that was scary. That was super hard, guys. Okay, I did. No, stop. You're not gonna hit me again. I will kill you if you do. Because that last time you did that. I'm having a free. Stupid ads. I hate ads. Oh, I hate ads. Why? Why do ads even exist, guys? Well, sometimes ads do like get me some games, like Monster Legend ad. I got that. Dragon City ad. That was really cool. The Dragon City. If you haven't checked out my Dragon City, whoa, that's a lot of trains, guys. Whoa, guys, go. I hit 4,000, guys, come on. Yes, come on. Yes, guys, I hit 5,000. I hit 5,000, guys. I'm gonna try hitting 10,000. So guys, let's I just paused it. Oh, I just got a hoverboard. Okay, come on. If I hit 10,000, I'm gonna be super happy, guys. That means you all have liked and subscribed, and that's epic. Come on. We can have some more bubble power. The more the merrier. Okay, we had 7,050 guys. Like, how? And I got 2 of these. How many coins? 1,000? Come on, 1,000. Let's go. Double up? Nah, yeah, I don't know. I want Trixie's hat. New high score, 10,530. Wait. I hit 10,000, guys? Yes! Yes! Okay, what is this? Oh, I'm second in the... No, I'm not second in the world. Wait. Okay. I'm in the stupid rank. I'm me. My name's me. Okay, let's go home and check out what this me is. Ooh, that's cool. 100 those? That's a girl though. 4,000 or 40,000. No, 40,000. 150,000. Come on. 80,000. This is 12,000. I only have 1,766. Claim award. Collect award. Come on, guys. If we keep on collecting these awards, free. I'm glitching it. Come on. Turn on. Okay, menu. Let's play one more match and see. What's this? Open box. Jake spray cans? Wait, what? Okay, let's play. I hate how slow it is right now. Come on, guys. Well, I already have you subscribing and like power, so I should be at least 5,000 without any revives. Okay. Oh, oopsie! I accidentally. Oh, this is very fun. No! Wait. How did I do a triple backflip and landed on my face and then the police officer almost caught me? I want to get onto the roof. I've done that before. Guys, this is so intense now because I want to get over, like, I'm not going to go for the... I got 5,000, guys! Yay! I'm proud of myself. Yay! No. Yeah. Oh, I got one of these. Didn't realize. 3 hoverboards. Okay. Boots. Let's see what boots I have. I'm not going to waste my coins. Like, I would have like 100 of these. I used to be like a king. I had all of these. Like, I would get 9-second jetpack. It would be like, I forgot, like a minute jetpack. I don't know. And then it would be this one jump. Wait, what? Score booster, yeah. 3, 5, 6, or 7. I hate these ads. Come on. From now on, you will never lose your progress. My tour. Missions. Okay, roll 30 times in total. I'm just spamming roll button. Oops. There's so many of those ads. 21 rolls done. Spend 2,000 coins. Get 2 character tokens from mystery box. Completed. Oh, I get all of these. Okay, weekly hunt. 40 hoverboards. Collect 40 hunt tokens. Week 2, week 1. 2 would be a token box. Week 40. Whoa, guys. I'm gonna do this 30 roll. 1. Okay, guys, if you no, I've got 13 keys. I'm gonna save it. Save it, guys. Save your keys. Do not waste them for reviving or anything, unless you're like 100,000 coins. Oh, what's this? The best blood. Oh, okay, that costs money. Wait, what? Oops, I didn't know that was an ad. Okay, well, I'll have to wait for the ad. Begin your Hogwarts. No, this is terrible. This is terrible. No. I didn't think I would like this game because it counted like nothing fun. That does not look fun. Okay, let's see. How many keys I get? 3 keys, guys. 3 keys. What is that? Oh, the same ad came up. No idea that becomes an ad. It said no ad. I swear it said no ad. Oh, stupid ads. If you have a better high score than me, tell me it in the comment down below. Like, you have to. You don't have to, but if you do, I'll be happy. And to hear your stuff, I've got 1 key now. Double up now? Nah, rather not. What's this? Get 3 free. Me. I want to collect 3 keys. Guys, I just hit, wait, a free gift? Free gift! Jake Dark outfit, yeah. Now you have to get these? Before it costs, no, this is unfair. Okay, let me just go over the names. So you have Utani, and you've got Utani Gadget outfit. We've got Spike. You got Spike Rock outfit. I do not like how he's bold. I like his Spike the Punk outfit. We got Fresh Corkscrew. Like, wait, no. Does it have the Corkscrew? Okay. Corkscrew Funk outfit. Fresh Funk outfit. And Sport outfit. He must be a basketball player. So here's a Tricky from the Corkscrew. And she has the Camo outfit. And the Heart outfit. My big sister's favorite outfit. Then we have Jake, the Cool Crew. Then we have Jake in the Dark outfit. Then we have Jake in the Star outfit. Then we have Miss Maya. Then we have Boom Boss. And then we have Dino. Then we have Frank Clown outfit. Oh my god, that is hideous! And Frank Tiger outfit. Then we have Frizzy, Cool Crew, Rasta outfit. I thought it said pasta. I'm like, what? And a gold outfit. Cool. King Corkscrew, King Count outfit, and King Royal outfit. Lucy Corkscrew, Lucy Goth outfit, and Lucy Steam outfit. You look hideous. Oh wow. Ninja Corkscrew, Ninja Yang outfit, Ninja Flame outfit. What's the best? Tagbot Corkscrew, Tagbot Space outfit, Tagbot Toy outfit. Yo, that Tagbot is I had this tugboat. That tugboat's cool. Tasha, cool crew. Tea outfit, gym outfit. Wait, let's check the prices on these once I finish. Tasha, cool crew, Tasha, tea outfit, Tasha, gym outfit, Zoe, curly outfit, Zoe, bike outfit, Brody, posh outfit, Brody, chill outfit, and Prince K, core crew, jag outfit, shine out. Okay, so this is 980. What? 980,000? How? And then that's 100 keys. And that's 280 keys. That's 350,000. We had the posh outfit, which is 35 keys and 70 keys. 120,000, 15 keys, 25 keys, 30, wait, 300,000? No, 30,000, 15 keys, 25 keys, 12,000, 15 keys, 25 keys, 20,000, 15 keys, 25 keys, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. Okay, 7,000, 15 keys, 25 keys, 80,000, 15 keys, 25 keys, 150,000, 15 keys, 25 keys. Frank, 40,000, yeah, pretty sure. Yeah, 40,000. 15 keys, 25 keys. Dino, with any protest, okay. Cool crew, Carter Cool Crews, Miss Mayor. She has 100 keys. Jake, free, 150 spray cans. And I can't name the rest. But I can name 3 of those, 50 of those, 200 of those, 500 of those. Boy! That's sicko. And let's check the boards. I'm just going to name all of them. I'm not going to tell the prices. Okay, there's a freestyler. It can double jump. It can have super jump. This is monster street power. Super jump. Oh, gee, speed. Teleporter. Wow. Okay. We have the hoverboard. We have the low rider. We have the starboard. The daredevil. The great flight. I love these ones. The scoot. We have the lumberjack. We have the super jump. We've got a big kahuna. This can glide. This can also glide. It's called the sunset. And this is called the monster. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.